HubSpot is a great platform now to build. If you can dream up an app these days, you can pretty well build it inside of HubSpot or adjacent to HubSpot and integrate with it through an API.
You can easily build a solution for HubSpot ecosystem and have your ideas turn into reality.
We came up with this fully automated audit platform. What used to take 30 to 50 hours to go in and do the audit, now it happens in 15 to 30 minutes.
Between all of the HubSpot work that we did, in addition to the integrations with different marketing technology, we were able to generate revenue growing from 22 million to 40 million in 1 year.
I'm not a developer. I was able to go ahead and actually build a complete integration between HubSpot and this health record system in the course of less than 2 weeks.
So we launched app cards, we now have app objects, we're integrating into CPQ, and it's always been super easy to do.
I'd absolutely encourage anyone who's thinking of building on the HubSpot marketplace to do it. It's a great ecosystem.
We all are learning as fast as the updates are coming, and we're all here to support each other.
HubSpot has everything right for you. So go for it, check out ASAP.
You're hesitant to publish something on the app marketplace for HubSpot. Go for it, do it. You don't know until you try.